Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to fix Google Chrome automatically open in Windows 10. So let's start. Go to the left hand side and click on the search icon and type here settings. Okay, and just click on the settings and you can see Windows setting is open. Then click on the accounts and here in accounts left hand side you can see the all settings option. Just click on the third option sign in option and here in sign in just scroll down and you can see the first option automatically save my restartable apps when I sign out and restart them after I sign in. Okay, and the last option use my sign in info to automatically finish setting up my device after update or restart. Okay, make sure all these three option is off. Okay, and one more setting, just go to the Google Chrome browser and go to the right hand side and click on the three dot, scroll down and click on the second last option settings. And here in left hand side, you can see the all settings option. Just scroll down and click on the system option. And here in system, the first option, continue running background apps when Google Chrome is closed. Make sure this option is turned off. And that's it. This is a way you can fix the Google Chrome automatically open issue in Windows. Hope you understood. If you like this, please subscribe. Thank you so much.